Hey everybody, I am here in Irwin, Tennessee, and I just found this cute little camper. And this is Thomas, and he's the one that built it, and he's going to tell us all about it. First of all, what size is it?
It's roughly 10 by 4. It's about 4 foot wide.
Okay.
Roughly 10 feet long. And
you said this was, what kind of trailer was it?
It was a boat trailer.
Okay. And
originally.
You cut it down and shortened it.
Yeah. And then added a little bar up there to catch the front of it.
I can get closer. There, you can see underneath. So this is all made out of pallets.
All made out of pallets and some scrap tin we had left over from putting the porch on my house in Johnson City. And
how much did you say you spent making this?
$60 on a box of screws.
Okay. And everything else you got free?
Yeah. The boy gave me a boat, so I ended up with the trailer and the boat and everything. And then I cut the trailer down originally and used it to pull lawnmowers and stuff.
Okay.
And then my wife said she don't like to come camping and lay on the ground. So I was like, well.
This is where the kids sleep.
Yeah. She don't like to lay on the ground. So I was like, well, I'll build this and put an air mattress in it, and you will not be on the ground anymore. All
right. So we're going to walk around and see inside this thing. I don't know that I've met anyone that built a camper for cheap, as cheap as this one was.
I built the lock. It's a piece of flex pipe with a screw in it.
I can smell the wood. It smells like fresh cut wood. Okay, so we're using phone flashlights because there's no electricity in here.
No, I haven't gotten that far
yet.
You
can see he's going to add electricity. Any leak problems, or you've got that all covered?
Yeah, I got that all covered. I haven't got any water in here on us.
All right, so it's just a place to sleep. He uses a battery operated. There's a solar light.
And I got a little solar fan up over the door there.
Let's see if we can get up here. Yeah, there you go. So that's a solar fan. So leftover roof tin, free pallets. And what are the walls in here?
It's from pallets, the wood from pallets.
Okay.
So some of it's 1/4 inch, some of it's...
it looks like chipboard.
Yeah, it's chipboard. Some of it is plywood, is just whatever was available.
Now, sit down in there and show me how you can do that door lock again. So nobody's going to lock him in because he can operate that from the inside.
I got a little cubby hole in here where I can hide my little phone and all that good stuff. So I have to crawl in.
If I close the door, he can do that from inside and then open it back up again. So nobody can lock him in there.
Yeah, that was the kids' first thing. They was like, we're going to lock you in there. I was like, no, not locking me in.
You got to take away their fun.
Yeah.
All right, Thomas. Well, thank you for showing this to me. How long did it take you to build it?
A couple days. So,
and I don't see any tag. You can tag it as a home built, I guess.
I don't know.
Oh, you don't even have lights on it. So.
No. Well, it doesn't cover the back of my truck.
Okay.
As far as I know, I could run as long as I don't have it. As long as the trailer is smaller than the back of my vehicle.
Or just take the back roads.
Or just take the back.
Yeah. Okay, everybody. This is a very unique one. Hit the thumbs up for this and subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you, Thomas, for showing this to us.
No problem.
And we'll see you on the next video. Bye.